What's up? Welcome to Your Studio, and today I'm going to show you the best exercises for Wushu beginners. Now for the first best exercise for Wushu beginners is going to be Mapu Chung Quan. Because when you do Mapu Chung Quan, you're not going to train your Mapu, alright, or your horse sense. You're going to train your punching power and your speed and your punching at the same time. So this is for me will be the best exercise for Wushu beginners. Now for the second best exercise for Wushu beginners, it's going to be Mapu Chung Quan. Because while you're doing Mapu Chung Quan, you're not going to train your horse sense, but you're going to train your bow sense as well. And you're going to train your balance and your strike power at the same time. Now for the third best exercise for Wushu beginner is going to be Pupu Yatoi or Pupu stretching, okay? Because Pupu is used to be sweep in Wushu, okay? Sweeping in Wushu. So you need flexibility on your Pupu. So for me, the best exercise for Wushu beginners is going to be Pupu Yatoi or Pupu stretching, okay? Stretch more on your Pupu and you will feel different while you're doing sweep in Wushu. Now for the fourth best exercise for Wushu beginners is going to be Xie Bu Chung Quan. Alright, so while you're doing Xie Bu Chung Quan, you're not just going to train your punch, but you're going to train your Xie Bu as well, okay? How we use Xie Bu, okay? So Xie Bu is basically cross stance, okay? So while you're crossing your leg, it's really easy to lose your balance. So that's why for me the best exercise for Wushu beginners is going to be Xie Bu Chung Quan, okay? Xie Bu Chung Quan. So you're going to train your balance while you're crossing your leg, okay? While you're crossing your leg, it's really easy to lose your balance. So you have to really train that, okay? Train Xie Bu Chung Quan is not going to only train your balance while you're crossing your leg, but it's also going to train you to squat, okay? You need to squat, okay? So while you're doing Wushu play, you're not going to always stand up, okay? You need to squat as well, okay? So you're going to squat a little fast, okay? So for the fourth exercise, it's going to be Xie Bu Chung Quan. Now for the final best exercise for Wushu beginner or fifth best exercise for Wushu beginners is going to be Sipu Kejang. So while you train Sipu Kejang, okay, you're not just going to train your blocking, okay? You also going to train your squat as well, just like Xie Bu Chung Quan, okay? You're going to squat and you're going to train more at your blocking. Sipu is you're really going to easily lose your balance, okay, if you do Sipu. So while you train Sipu, alright, it's going to train your balance more, okay, just like pistol squat, okay. So for me, the best exercise for Wushu beginners is going to be Sipu, okay, Sipu kejang for the exercise. So for the stance, it's called Sipu, alright. So train your Sipu more, and you're going to feel different while you squat with one leg, and you will feel more different on your balance while you play Wushu movement.
I've never felt like submitting to level. I've never felt like thinking this will last forever. They're just with me.
So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you think that this video is useful and entertaining as well, okay, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Praying that how the moves reach inside.